Hey, I'm Brett Downen with Downenphotography. My friends at Fancy Backdrops sent me a brand new backdrop called a Shimmer wall. Let's unbox this bad boy and see what it's all about. Check this out. Shimmer wall. All right, so this wall is made up of probably a couple thousand of these little individual reflective boxes. And we're gonna build ourselves a big shimmer wall out of this. Fully assembled, this is about 6 foot by 8 foot. Now that it's constructed, let's have some fun. I was shooting fashion with this tonight. It is great for fashion. Event photographers, prom photographers, formal wear photographers could really take advantage of a wall like this. This wasn't like shooting with just a normal backdrop. Not only is it behind the model and shimmering like crazy, but we experimented and we shot through the backdrop with my flashes, and we shot side lighting as well, and came out with some amazing results you wouldn't get from your typical backdrop. Guys, I had a great time shooting with the Shimmer wall tonight. What we thought was going to be a short experimental photo shoot turned into 4 hours of fun. I want to thank fancybackdrops.com for sending me the Shimmer wall to experiment with. It's quickly going to become a staple in my fashion collection. I'm looking forward to using it again in the very near future. See you later.